What is up everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to customize a ChromeOS desktop. So these desktops, you can probably find these at your school. If you go to public school, you might get a Chromebook to use. That's what I have, so I pretty much know how to customize everything on here. So first off, if you click on the screen, double click, you can set the shelf position or auto hide the shelf. So that means when you're in an app, the shelf will auto hide until you go down and open it back up. You can also set the shelf position. If you want it on the right of your screen, you can put it on the right. But if you want it like um, on the bottom or left, you can do that as well. You can also set your wallpaper and style. So these are different colors that you can choose. So this like literally means everything. It changes the bezel, it changes your icons, it changes a lot of different things. It changes your entire taskbar. And that's pretty much what you can do for that. I selected this green one because it matches my background best. But you can go to my images, and this is all the images that I have right now. So that's what you can use as a background. Um, you can also, if you go into your files, and if you have a picture downloaded, you could drag and drop it up into camera so that you can have it as a screenshot. Another thing you can do is you can go into settings and you can get this diagnostics, so it tells you like your battery percentage or your battery health, your cycle count, and your current milliamp hours. Um, and then this is like my CPU usage, so like how much of the CPU am I using right now, and this is like how much memory I have available at the moment. I am using Screencast to actually record this video right now, so this is a pretty cool thing that you can use to screen record anything you want on Chrome, whether it's for like school or anything like that. Over here, this is the calendar, so you can like set dates, you can like add a task that you're gonna do at a certain time, and then this little bar shows you all of your downloads and what your Chromebook is actually doing right now. So as you can see, that green dot means I'm recording. Then over here, this is your media control. So like, this is what I have on Google. I have these two things open. So like, it shows you like literally what you have open and what you are using. So it's pretty nice. Over here shows me that I'm recording. It's like the start and stop button. And then this is just like a draw, so I can like draw on my screen like what am I doing right now. But yeah, and then over here, this is like basically your control panel. So this is like your internet and your Bluetooth if it's on, and like focus, which is pretty cool. You can set like timers and like what would you like to focus on, and then you can have focus sounds, which is honestly really cool. You can also set your volume and brightness if you want to have on the night mode, I think. Yeah, and you can also have different settings, like the dark theme. You can change it to white theme if you wanted to. And then you can have like, you can put on do not disturb from here. You can put on like cast screens, so send it to like your if you want to send it to a different device on your Wi-Fi, like a TV, you can do that, which is pretty cool. And then it just takes you to general settings right here. You can customize a lot of different things in this settings. First I'm gonna go to this accessibility real quick so I can show you. You can do anything you want. You can add like a text to speech so that it reads everything you say. I don't need that, so I'm not going to click that, but you can have like a keyboard and text input, which is really cool. A cursor and touchpad. I really like this one. You can like change your mouse color to like whatever you want. And see how it turned blue right there. I can do magenta. I like magenta, so I'll keep that. You can also do a large mouse cursor, So like that's really big, so I like to move it down a little bit more. But yeah, that's a pretty cool thing that you can do right there. You can do like automatic clicks, so whenever you hover over something, it automatically clicks for you. I'm not going to do that though. You can also find more accessibility tools in the Chrome Web Store, which is really nice. And this is system preferences, so it's like basically like your storage management stuff. So as you can see, I have 25.1 gigabytes in use, and I still have 38.9 gigabytes left of space. And it shows me that all like different things that are using up that space for storage. And then this is the power right here. So it's your power. My power source right now is an AC adapter because I'm charging it. And then you can turn on battery saver right here, adaptive charging, which I have on, and then while inactive and plugged in, you can the device sleeps, and when inactive, while inactive and on battery, it also sleeps. You can like turn off display or keep display on. You can do whatever you want. This is about ChromeOS, so it just tells you like what actual like uh, ChromeOS you have. You can like check for updates as well and see if my Chromebook is up to date. So yeah, you can also connect devices. You can connect to an Android phone or you can quick share to a phone. It shows you the accounts you have on there. As you can see, like this device thing, you can change the display size. So if I went to 70%, it would go down to 70%, which is really cool. That's a little low though, so I'm gonna do like 85. You can also just turn on the night light from here, but I think that's like you don't have to do that. But this is like sets like how cold or warm your night light is. I like to keep it down in the middle, but that's pretty cool. You can do it, and you can also schedule whenever it comes on from sunset to sunrise. And you can also do a custom one, which is also really cool. And yeah, this just shows you like your audio devices, so like what your speakers are, and like what your microphone is, or the volume that it's doing the input and outputs. And then you can click device sounds, so like low battery sound, or like charging sound, or device startup sound. I'm actually going to turn those on, because I like that. And then also you can set your wallpaper and style from here, which is pretty cool as well. And then just your internet, and then Bluetooth, like what your paired devices are on. You can pair a new device from right here, and it'll search for devices that you can use, which is pretty cool as well. This is also a really cool feature. There's this little like, I don't even know how to say it, but you can like ask this thing to like literally anything. It's literally like an AI, and it'll like answer your question, which is honestly really cool. I like that. You could also do like dark theme and light theme for like settings and stuff, which is pretty cool. And then you can try this thing advanced or whatever, and it shows you like Google Apps. You can like put it here, which is cool. I like this a lot. Yeah, that comes customized with Chrome. And then you can also add apps to your taskbar. If you go up to this little scroll wheel right here, it shows like where you left off, like the different files you have, and then just all this other stuff right here. So if I wanted to like pin this screencast thing that I'm using, I can hit pin to shelf, and it pins it to my little shelf thing right here, which is pretty cool. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. I post weekly tutorials about my desktops and just other things about anything really. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.